Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm attorney Yasin Akan and today we're diving into an incredibly important topic, the green card. Why is getting a green card such a big deal and how can it benefit you and your family? In this video, we'll break down the 3 key advantages of becoming a green card holder plus some critical tips on maintaining your green card status. Trust me, this is information you don't want to miss, so let's get started. Advantage 1, permanent residency. The first and the most obvious advantage is permanent residency. Once you have a green card, you can legally live in the United States permanently. Unlike a visa, which might require renewal or employer sponsorship, a green card gives you the security of knowing you can stay in the United States for as long as you want. You can choose where to live, whether it's a major city or a quiet town, without restrictions. This provides stability if you're looking to build a life here, whether that's for your career, family, or personal goals. However, here's an important detail that people sometimes overlook. You must make the US your primary home. If you leave the country for long periods of time, you could lose your green card. The rule of thumb is that if you're out of the country for more than 180 days, you could face questions when you return. And if you stay outside the United States for over 1 year, you could be at serious risk of losing your green card altogether. To avoid this, you'll need to apply for a re-entry permit before you leave if you plan to be gone for an extended period. So while your green card allows you the freedom to travel, it is crucial to understand the risks associated with long trips abroad. If you're not careful, you could be seen as abandoning your US residency. Advantage 2, work flexibility. Next, let's talk about work opportunities. As a green card holder, you have the freedom to work anywhere in the United States in almost any job. You can work for private companies, start your own business, or even work in certain government jobs that are reserved for US citizens and green card holders. If you want to change careers or industries, you can do so without worrying about how it will impact your immigration status. This work flexibility is a major benefit over many non-immigrant visas where you're often tied to a specific employer or type of job. With a green card, you can pursue new opportunities knowing your immigration status is secure. You can also start a business, invest in property, or build a career in public service, opening doors to financial stability and growth. Advantage 3, path to US citizenship. One of the most significant benefits of holding a green card is that it sets you on the path to US citizenship. After a certain period of time, you become eligible to apply for naturalization, the process of becoming a US citizen. Typically, you can apply for citizenship after 5 years as a green card holder. However, if you're married to a US citizen, you may be eligible to apply after just 3 years. But here's the important part. During this time, you must meet specific requirements. You need to have been physically present in the United States for at least half of the 3 or 5 year period. You must not have left the US for more than 180 days at a time during this period. If you do stay abroad for longer than 180 days, you'll need to provide evidence that you haven't abandoned your residency. This can include things like proof of US ties, owning property, maintaining a job, or having family in the United States. You must have good moral character, which generally means avoiding serious criminal issues or immigration fraud. You'll need to pass an English language and civics test unless you qualify for an exception based on age or disability. I won't get into all details of those exceptions here, but just know they exist if you meet the specific criteria. Becoming a US citizen is a huge step. It gives you the right to vote, apply for a US passport, and you'll never have to worry about losing your status or being deported. Plus, citizenship makes it easier to sponsor more family members for their green cards. Bonus, family sponsorship. Finally, let's talk about family sponsorship, which is one of the most rewarding parts of being a green card holder. You can sponsor your spouse and unmarried children to join you in the United States and get their own green cards. However, it's important to understand how the visa bulletin affects wait times. Spouses and children under 21 of green card holders typically have faster processing times compared to other family members. However, they're still subject to waiting periods. It could take a few years for their green cards to be approved. Unmarried children over 21 have a much longer wait, sometimes several years or over a decade. The visa bulletin dictates how long these waits are, so it's important to keep an eye on it. One important thing to note, you cannot petition for your parents until you become a US citizen. So if reuniting your entire family is a priority, obtaining citizenship as soon as you are eligible could make all the difference. Take control of your future. There you have it. 3 big reasons why getting a green card is a life-changing step. Permanent residency, work flexibility, and a path to citizenship. Plus, you have the ability to sponsor your family and bring them closer to you. But remember, while the benefits are great, maintaining your green card status is crucial, especially when it comes to travel. If you're thinking about applying for a green card, or if you have any questions about maintaining your status, reach out to us. My team and I are here to help you navigate the immigration system and ensure you don't run into any problems. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable tips on US immigration. We post new content regularly, so stay tuned for more information that can help you in your immigration journey. For updates, follow us on social media. As always, feel free to contact us if you need personalized help. See you in the next video.